All right, all right. Emerging. What's emerging? Well, here's what's emerging. It's very interesting what's happening right now with Bitcoin. Bitcoin actually just started really falling below an important trend line. It's been in a nice uptrend, but we could be kind of seeing the start of a correction here with Bitcoin. We're sitting at 22,500. We were not able to hold 22,600. We've been watching this kind of play out. I want to take you inside the charts here. And it's interesting because some of the altcoins are still bullish when we look at 20-day moving averages. Not for Bitcoin, though. For Bitcoin, we're starting to fall below it. You can see we were kind of just right at it for the last couple days, kind of fighting, trying to get back over the hump here. A couple days ago, we were really rocking and rolling, 23,500. Thought we were kind of out of the woods and we were back, to a bullish trend. But then yesterday, it started to come back down into the 22.8, 22.7. And you could see where we closed yesterday and now what's happening here today. So we're down about 2% here in the last week, down about 5%. And we're slowly but surely starting to see, you can even see it better on the hourly here, kind of a reversal to the downside, a little bit of a correction here. You can see we did bounce off this before. We'll see if we bounce off this. Back on January 30th, we were right at 22.5 and we bounced. This is really kind of going to tell the story here. We need to see a hard bounce like we did back here on January 30th, but it looks like we could be due for a little bit of correction if we continued a little bit lower. But this is a very important line here. You can see on the hourly going all the way back to January, where we kind of leveled off here and then bounced. We'll see if the markets bounce off this here. We're literally going to watch this play out here today. Now, here's the thing. When we look at the overall cryptocurrency market, we're seeing the pullback, okay, down 1%. Some of the altcoins also still running, though. Chainlink is up 8% today. EOS is up 5%. Lido DAO. So some of these are actually seeing some gains. NEO up in double digits. Polygon still looking strong at $1.30 right now, but this could be a little bit of a delayed reaction. Everything usually follows Bitcoin eventually. Sometimes it takes a little bit longer to play out, right? But we're watching some of our favorite altcoins too. Apollo's coming back down 11% after its major rise. Volt coming back down a little bit. It's down, 10% here. Actually down 18%. You're starting to see the pullback there. People taking some profits. Tradix, though, look at Tradix. Tradix up 50%. It's rocking and rolling right now. Tradix has that app that's out. They were a sponsor of the channel here back in January. They've got an app that you can basically track all your DeFi tokens. Bone, also something we're tracking very carefully right now. These are the ones we're actively kind of in trades on and or just kind of really focused in and watching here. Bone is down to $1.70, down a little bit. WAGMI's still up. WAGMI's one of our favorite gaming tokens, small cap space. And then CCX, Clear Crypto's really solid here, still at 8.3. It's been kind of just trending sideways here for a little while, and that's nice to see here. So, across the board, it's very interesting what's happening here. Bitcoin, though, this is what's emerging, is really what's going to happen here. Are we going to reverse like we did back in January here off this line and bounce hard? This 22.5 level, you can see how many times we've touched it and bounced off it. But if we break down below this, then it looks like we could be coming into a correction. Bitcoin could be coming down to 21,000. Okay, and that's not all bad, right? Again, remember here to start the year, we were underneath 17,000, right? So when in doubt here, zoom out. But just wanted to kind of bring you up to speed on what's emerging, what we're watching here today as the week has progressed. And appreciate you guys, as always, for stopping back by the channel. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe down below. We'll see you in the next video.